I was working one day and I was driving between sites. A semi-truck blew a stop sign and T-boned me. That resulted in me breaking my neck, C6, C7 level. Basically, I've just spent the last 3 years trying to figure out life again and how it's all gonna work out. And sometimes I wake up and I feel all right, and then other days I wake up and my blood pressure is pretty low. I get really lightheaded and dizzy, and my ears can start ringing. It was a pretty big learning curve, I guess, not realizing how much your blood pressure does affect you.
So after spinal cord injury, people are in this battle between high and low blood pressure. It's extremely labile and it can be life-threatening. Our estimates are that just over half the people with spinal cord injury have blood pressure instability in some form or another. So that's millions of people. We published 2 papers actually in Nature and Nature Medicine, 2 of the premier journals in the world, showing that this therapeutic approach where you stimulate the spinal cord after a spinal cord injury actually treats not just the low blood pressure, but also these life-threatening spikes in blood pressure.
So this procedure is a surgical implantation of a spinal cord stimulator, and we pass a wire or an electrode into the epidural space of the spine, and then that wire is then connected to a battery which is implanted just off to the side, and everything is done underneath the skin. Basically, the device delivers electricity to the spinal cord, and that electricity then travels along the nerves to the body. It mimics and replaces a signal that has been lost.
When you speak to people with spinal cord injury, the blood pressure swings permeate into all aspects of life. I mean, I've heard stories where people can't drive in cars because they have to pull over and get their caregivers to put them supine because they just can't even be upright for a short car ride. With our therapeutic, we're planning on bringing this to the community to be the first therapy after spinal cord injury.
I'm very appreciative of the university and everything they've done for me. Having it on prolongs my energy throughout the day. It's helped me get back into work and stuff too, because I'm not exhausted all the time. It's made a big change in my life for sure, yeah.